of my account, Latunde came to log in. So this is your personal design is ready for you now. So check out this amazing app below. So these are my projects, Timothy Shea. I have another one. So this is just one of the there will be many things Timothy design from this platform. You can logo design. I don't think it's there. I will enable. Okay, this is logo design. Now, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí logo design. So I'm opening logo design. So if you want to design a logo now, let's say that Mr. Damilare, I'm going to use Mr. Damilare name. Damilare. So option, this is tagline option, maybe an IT company. You understand? So if you cannot see very well, just try to zoom it as I'm typing so that you can see what I am actually. Let me put limited. LTD. So my wife create logo. So I actually design it with AI. You understand? So it's now asking you what kind of logo you like. Select a type of logo from the option below to get customized logo design. So if you click on graphica, initial or signature. So signature means you want to use the text to design your logo. While initial means we want to use we'll test run both. But let's first try graphical design. So niche. I used to talk about niche. Niche means the traffic. Traffic equals to money, money equals to traffic. Niche will create the business on top. So it's actually said choose niche. So niche can be real estate, farming, business, education, fashion, medical, food, salon, dentist, sports, music, others, gym, photography, e-commerce, media, car, airline, coffee, name it, everything is already designed. So it's going to generate a particular logo that you select your own, the kind of logo you like. Like this logo you see now that I use, this logo you are looking at. Even my Yaagboyaaju logo is being created from this platform. And you won't see the type anywhere. Is original copy, your own kind of copy. So now I'm going to choose media for Mr. Damilare company. Or should I choose sports? Okay, media. Let me choose media. So I've selected media. Then create logo. So it generate the logo for you in few minutes or seconds. So now it generates a different kind of logo for me. Here are awesome logo design based on your choices. So we have different kind of logo here that you can check and choose. You understand? So anything that has to do with media or when it logo one icon so it's already great. So you can load more. Here you can load more. So on this note, I'm going to choose this particular one. This one. So I will select. So it generates more. So you just check them till you load everything. So thousands of logo are waiting for you to design a logo for anybody. So now, okay, I think I like which logo. This first one. I like this one because of it has technology inside and media as well. So let me choose this one. So you click on this edit, costs a lot of money. So if you want to change the logo now, to start customizing your company logo, you can click on the logo and you can move it around. Movable. It's just like Photoshop. You can move it around and place it anywhere, and it will show you a line that you are in center. So you can see what you want center and see. Now to change the color, you can select color from here, just like you are using Photoshop. You can change it to black. You can select other colors. You can change it to blue. Just select any color, play around the color you feel like the company is their company color. You can change it to white, and white will not show. So now let me pick blue, and I can as well change this to match this color shemo. Okay, let me first do something. Clicking on the color here. So MRE color numbers here. So I copy, then so that it will match, because the Bible can to select the color only match this particular color. So it's going to give you a different number. So for example, now if I select this red color now and I choose blue, it might not be the same color. Shall you understand? So only off that blue, only wa deeper. You understand? So multi-copy this first one, then I will now paste it here. So if I paste it here, then I will click enter. So you did move phone. So all the shortcuts is on keyboard, which you need send enter and every other thing. So enter, so it's having the same color now. So to my friend, you're Mr. Damilare. Text it, very edited, see any other thing. Yaagbo. Shall you understand? You can edit it and change it to another name. Oh, so the body way text it. Sorry, Yaagbo Yahoo developer. It's a long. So I repeat text it. So I adjust it. Can shift it, can move one around just to suit. Then you can make this one more large, drag it, and download your logo. So to download, I will still show you another thing. To download it, you need to click on download here, and for you to have a PNG, it has a GPG, that's a GPG, which is going to have a background, but with PNG, Konini background. So that whatever places background background back end here. You understand? So to select background, you can select this, or to select SVG. SVG is for to upload on application when you are developing app. So that's when you convert it to SVG. SVG app. So that it will be more lighter when you upload it on your app while developing application. So that's when you select this file. So but for normal, but if I upload the logo in Facebook account, select the NPG or JPG. So man like lo NPG, so that my lè background to ba mi. Bó ṣe pé ẹ lè background to win bí báyìí náà, ẹ lè select background. If I click lórí background you can actually change the background to different color, to black, just to match. Then you need to change your slogan to white, so that Ali wa So if you are not okay with this logo, you can still check here instead of clicking back and check other logos. Many. You can scroll down from here. As you can see, I'm scrolling down until you get to the end. So under the media, you can select any logo you feel you like. If you want to create a YouTube channel, you want to create any other one, you can actually select. You can decide to select this. because it has fún àwọn tó ń ṣe video coverage àbí video editing. This one has a different color and you can actually design, separate them. So this is like a film this thing, film icon. So they change it sí red, kẹ́ change kejì ẹ̀ náà sí red, kẹ́ dẹ̀ change red yìí kẹ́ change ẹ̀ sí blue. I like blue very much. I like blue a lot. Okay, no. Okay, this one is black. I can change this one to yellow. Can change it to yellow. You can mess around with the design until when you are satisfied. One thing about it is you can move all those things if you want to change other color on the inside. You see, everything is detached. You see, so you can change this one to this white to black. You can change this one to black. So everything has already made. It's just for you to now use your own IQ to design a unique logo for yourself. So this one is red, which I'm changing to blue background. So it has another different. It has many layers. You can separate all of them and rearrange them back by yourself if you have the idea. Don't just spoil it though. So because I'm a graphic designer, I can actually arrange it back. So you can change this one to white. You see, then bring back all these ones. Bring the yellow back and the gold color back. Return the blue to the line, to the fame icon. Then bring back all this action icon. So you see, mo ti create logo mi padà bó ṣe yẹ kó wà. So still Mr. Damilare, but Mr. Damilare has to change to TV. Damilare TV. You understand? So, and that is how to design logo of different type. So I'm not going to download this, but it's going to save as my project. Timber click the back button. So multi-click the back button. See, mo fẹ́ create another logo in the same name. So I'm going to choose the initial option.